You're a business owner, and that means you have a lot of responsibilities. You wear a lot of hats, and you believe in your business and want it to succeed. So when it comes to your website and to marketing yourself online, why would you trust your success to this guy? So your mom says you build websites? Or, well, this guy. When you put your trust in the big box companies, you're not putting your trust in much at all. The world of online marketing and social media is constantly changing. We stay on top of those changes so that you don't have to. And with Local Management, you can make changes to your website and your marketing tools as your business changes. You can't say the same for these guys. At Local Management, we are friendly faces you can see and hear, and we see and hear you. We learn about your business and communicate with you about your needs and goals. We aren't just a company, we're your partners on the road to success, and we'll be with you every step of the way. With Local Management, you get more. More service, more options, more feedback, more of everything you need to effectively market your product or service. We're implementing new strategies for your success every day and giving you feedback about their effects. With Local Management, you're getting ongoing, personalized support and service, the same kind you provide to your own clients every day. These guys, not so much. Local Management combines experience and innovation with service and strategy to give you a cutting-edge, up-to-the-moment online marketing plan. And with packages starting at less than what you're spending on your daily latte run, superior services from Local Management are definitely within your reach. Put your online marketing and web needs in our hands so that you can keep the running of your business in yours. Local Management, here for you.